Let me ask you something. When you see grass-fed on a label, do you assume that animal only ate grass? Because right now, Instagram is going crazy with this topic. And depending on what you watch, you might feel like you can't trust anything anymore. And I've seen the comments, you can't trust labels anymore. They're putting things in our food. And some people might even say, Rose, you're being naive if you think this is still real food. But here's where I think we need to slow this down a little bit because confusion doesn't mean something is wrong all the time. It usually means something hasn't been explained clearly. So let's address the grass fed versus grass finished. So let's make it simple. Grass fed means the animal starts on grass. Grass finished means it stayed on grass its entire life. And that's what most people think grass fed means, but it doesn't always. Many cattle start on pasture and are finished on grain. That's not fake, that's true. That's just how most beef is raised. So if you want true grass finished beef, look for 100% grass fed, grass finished. Examples include Butcher Box, Force of Nature Meats, and check your local farms. Now let's talk butter. And butter works very much the same way. Grass fed butter doesn't always mean 100% grass fed year round. Most dairy cows graze much of the year but may receive supplemental feed in the winter. That's why you'll notice deeper yellow color, richer flavor, and you may have heard spring butter is the best. And there's truth to that because when cows return to fresh pasture, the butter becomes more nutrient rich and flavorful. If you're looking for closer to 100% grass fed dairy, options like Maple Hill Creamery is 100% grass fed, grass finished. But there are other popular options like Kerrygold or Amish butter, which is grass fed most of the time but may get supplemental in the winter. These are still excellent choices. But here's the part I really want you to take away with you. This isn't about perfection. You don't need perfect labels, you need understanding. Because when you understand what you're buying, you stop questioning everything. Grass finish is great, but mostly grass fed, that's still a very good choice. And once you understand the difference, you stop chasing labels and start making confident decisions. So, if you have a brand you trust, drop it in the comments below because this is where we'll learn from each other. If you think I missed something about beef and butter, I know there's a lot about the fake beef. I want to see the data. Let's have a real conversation about it. I'll see you tomorrow.